We're going to go through this example before us. It says, find the equation of the image of this after a reflection in the x-axis. We're going to begin by doing this by inspection. So remember, this is the quick way to do it, by inspection. I know that if I'm reflecting something in my x-axis, it just means I take the function and I put a negative in front of the whole thing. So I'm going to get negative in front of the whole thing like that. If I was to expand out that negative, that right there is going to be my answer. So as you can see, a really quick way to do it, just like that. If you wanted to see what this looked like graphically, let me quickly do it on Desmos. So here I've just graphed our original. So x squared minus x plus 1. And now, as you can see, I've just put a negative in front of the entire thing. And if I zoom out, you can see it's been reflected in the x-axis. So it's now down there. So that's what it visually looks like. The other way to go about this is to do it by the method, which is the long way to do it. Okay, so you're starting with a point. I'm going to a new point. I know that I'm reflecting in the x-axis, so that means my y value is going to change. My x will stay the same. Now I'm going to say x dash is equal to x, y dash is equal to y, negative y rather. I will now solve for x and y. This is already done for me. And then this will become negative y dash is equal to y. So now with these, I'm going to sub these back into my original equation. Remember, my original equation was x squared minus x plus 1. Into the y spot, I'll put negative y dash is equal to, then into my x spot, I'll put x dash. I will now drop the dashes and solve for y. Which means I'm going to get negative x squared plus x minus 1. And that is what we got when we did it by inspection. So as you can see, negative x squared plus x minus 1 is negative x squared plus x negative 1. Hopefully you found this useful, and you can do it both ways, both by inspection and by the method.